In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage expense claims in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a new expense claim and get it approved smoothly, using the built-in tools in Xero. First, from the main navigation in Xero, head to the Purchases area. This is where your spend-related activity lives. Once you're there, open Expenses. That takes you to the Expenses dashboard, where you can see items you're working on, anything awaiting approval, and previously approved claims. It's a helpful hub for keeping an eye on what's pending and what's completed. Now let's create a new claim. Click New Expense to start a fresh entry. From the options, choose Expense Claim. This begins a standard out-of-pocket claim, great for things like travel, meals, subscriptions, or small office purchases you paid for personally. Enter the purchase amount exactly as it appears on your receipt. Use the total you actually paid. Accuracy here is key. Make sure any currency, discounts, or tips reflected on the receipt are included in that total so your claim matches your documentation and your reimbursement is correct. Next, add a clear description. Think of this as a short, professional note that explains what you bought and why. For example, client meeting lunch or monthly design software. A precise description helps approvers understand the business purpose at a glance and reduces back and forth. Select Spent At to record who you paid. This is the merchant or vendor name, such as a restaurant, a software provider, or a retailer. Getting this right improves reporting later and makes it easier to answer questions about where company money is going. Then choose the account. This is the expense category from your chart of accounts, like travel, meals, office supplies, or software subscriptions. Pick the category that best matches the nature of the expense so your financial reports stay clean and accurate. If your organization has a coding guide, follow it for consistency. Once everything looks correct, click Approve. If you have permission to approve your own claim, this will finalize it right away. In many organizations, approval is handled by a manager or finance team. If that's the case in your setup, your claim will route to them and they'll complete the approval step. That's the full process. Navigate to Expenses, start a new expense claim, enter the amount and description, specify the merchant, choose the correct account, and approve. Afterward, you can monitor the status from the Expenses area and quickly see what's done and what's waiting. Repeat these steps for each new claim, and you'll keep your reimbursements timely and your records tidy. Thanks for watching, and happy claiming in Xero.